Hi! This is Vlogmas Day 1. Na-delete ko yung intro ko. Punyeta. Alright. Hi guys! So, kakatapos lang nung Zoom class nung pinsan ko. So, ako kasi yung nag-tutor sa kanya this time. Habang ako ay nagbabasa ng civil code, nag-assist ako sa pinsan ko. Ayan, so, God! Nakikita niyo ba? Papunta sila ng farm pero may iwan kami dito sa bahay. Kasi I need to study. I need to fix my table here. So, magdi-disassemble din ako ng computer mamaya para malipat ko yung computer table dito. And then yun yung gagamitin. So that I won't consume a lot of space here in my room kasi maliit lang itong kwarto ko. Hindi rin naman din kalakihan yung bahay namin. So talaga kailangan namin ma-maximize yung space. Anyway, it's currently 10:52. Kakain lang ako ng breakfast and maliligo. And then, we're gonna do our thing. So dito ako magbe-breakfast kasi a bitch needs to study. Kita niyo ba ako? Hindi ko alam. And then, I also need to edit my Vlogmas intro. Yun nakita niyo kanina. Yun yun. Diyos ko, napakakalat ng kwarto. Pili ko memory full na ako ito. Hindi ba naman alam? Kasi kagabi nag-film ako ng parang behind the scenes. Na-realize ko, hindi ko na pala ilalabas yan. Magpa-plot ako kagabi ng storyboard kung paano ko pagsusunod-sunurin yung ginawa kong intro. Nakakainis. So anyway, I'm just gonna eat my breakfast and yun lang. Ayan, sige, wait lang. Kakain lang ako. And magta-transfer ng files. Bako gumaganon, parang tanga. So anyway, magta-transfer lang ako ng files and kakain and manunood and mag-aaral. Ano ba? Nasa Manila ba ako? Ba't ang daming truck na dumadaan dito? By the way, Morissette released a new single, It's Love You Still, at nakabuo ako ng pelikula dahil doon. So, hintay kayo. Hindi ko lang alam kung kailan ko balak i-film yun, pero Vlogmas Day 1. Olaf is back! Y'all see that? Order confirmation. Dude, I'm not ordering something. Okay. Yung in-order ko pala noon, 11:11. May 12:12 din naman. Gusto mo nga yun. Yeah, I'll just eat. Ingay-ingay?
We're all doing well, taking care of yourselves. I guess I'm just gonna do...
You've heard...
Look at the mask of the judge.
Caused the death.
Wait lang. So akala ko, hindi i-deliver yung book ngayon. Since na-delete nga yung intro ko, sinabi ko to doon. Sinabi ko, ito, si intro ko na I have ordered a Codal. Since I think it's gonna arrive today, kasi nag-text ang Ninja Van sa akin, may i-deliver sa akin today. We're getting the Codal today. Hey! Codal is here! Sinanitize ko rin yung coins. Nakalimutan ko mag-mask. Anyway, my RPC is here. This is my Codal. Nakuha ko siya sa Manuel Store. Sorry, the Manuel Store. If you are also a law student or gusto nyo din bumili ng books pero ang mamahal, ililink ko sa baba yung shop nila. Sa Shopee ko doon. Let's open it! Ang bilis kasi nung ano ko lang ito chinek out. Anong araw ngayon? Nung Sunday ko lang ito chinek out. Oh my gosh, I don't have alcohol. Wait lang. Pinalcohol ko rin yung doorknob ko. Alcohol ba ito? Alcohol. This is only for 800. Tapos tumingin ako sa Rex Bookstore. It's like parang nasa 1,000 something or 900. Ito, 820 ata. 820. So if you're looking for affordable books, go to the Manuel Store. Oh my god. Oh, there's plastic cover na rin. This is just the Codal. This is the revised penal code of the Philippines with special penal laws. Pero sa Rex Bookstore din naman siya. Just sanitize the cover and we're good to go. Lang, wala akong tissue. Saan papawisan din naman ako din. Oh my god! It's here! I can now finally read. Nang hindi nakatutok sa ano. So yun, again, ililink ko sa baba kung gusto nyo rin. Meron sila Codals and yung complete books ng for law school. Papakita ko sa nanay ko. Hindi yung nagde-deliver sa akin yung nag-deliver ngayon. Iba. Bagal-bagal na internet namin. Hindi ako nakasend ng iMessage kagabi pa. Alright, so let's fix na my table and disassemble a computer and reassemble it again. Tapong ko lang ito. Sanitize ko lang din yung it's hypo. So, nalipat ko na siya. Kanina dito kasha. Naipit yung kamay ko dito. Pota. So, ayan, nakaset up na ulit. It's much wider. So, bibilang pa kasi ito ng bagong motherboard. At ito, lilinisin ko. Tingnan nyo naman. And I'm gonna make it transfer sa room. And this one will go there. Okay, now I'm gonna clean this. Kasha. Ayun. Ha! Shoota. Bumagsak yung isang camera pa ko. So anyway, ayan, nandyan na siya. I'm thinking of putting some of my books here. including the Bible and may Codal. Marami pa akong bibiling ganyan, so siguro dyan sila malalagay sa taas. So, ayun, nandito na rin to. So, yeah, that's what's happening. Dito yung tablet ko, dito yung graphic tab, dito yung hard drive, my laptop is here as well. So that's the setup right now. At pawis na po ako. Yun po, hindi ko po alam kung nakafocus ako. Mamaya magbabasa na ulit ako tapos. Hey guys, so kakaligo ko lang and it is currently, I don't know what time is it. It's 2:23 and natapos ko na itong aking table dito. Ayan na siya. Yung books ko, ginanyan ko na lang since wala akong makitang yung supporter ng books for done. Ako kung tawag dun sa inyo. Tapos, andyan yung mga gamit ko. Ayan. And then sa baba, mga extra lang na papers. Ayan, this is the end of Vlogmas Day 1. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 2. I'm gonna edit this now and upload later. So, happy holidays everyone. Merry Christmas. And yeah, I'm starting to greet you guys Merry Christmas on December 1st because it's Christmas already. I'll see you guys on Vlogmas Day 2, which is tomorrow, December 2nd. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye!